Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the cabin filter on a Renault Laguna 2. The cabin filter is located behind the glove box, so we need to remove the glove box first. There's a bolt holding the glove box, we need to remove that bolt. Next we need a screwdriver to pick these things up. There's 4 of them, they're like brackets holding the glove box in. We need to push them down, or the ones on the bottom push up, and we'll take out the glove box. Okay, the glove box is coming out. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. And now we can see where the cabin filter housing is. It's held by two 6mm bolts, which we need to remove. And now we can remove the cover and remove the cabin filter and replace it with a new one. Make sure you put the cabin filter the right way, where the look at where the airflow is, and put it in the right direction. Thank you for watching.